Hello, my wonderful busy homemakers and friends. How are you today? I am Deb. You are in the office with Deb. And the one question I got asked quite a bit this week was, what happens in Deb's Decorative Life Tips and Inspiration group? What do you do in your group? What happens? What do you talk about? What's going on? Well, like for instance, we talk about you. We talk about your laundry. Right now we're going through April is in this group is Laundry Moon Madness Month. We're talking about. We even talked today about a DIY project that you can make for your laundry room. You could do yourself. We're talking about the decor. We're talking about the washing machine. We're talking about the washer. And you're talking about fabric softener. Now you're thinking, really? That doesn't sound that interesting. Oh, you'd be surprised the interesting conversation that comes up in all the comments and who uses it, who doesn't. And we talk about the household tips. We talk about tips for stains in your laundry. We talk about all kinds of tips for the laundry room and clothing and decor, ceiling, organizing our laundry cabinets. The previous month before, we had a spring cleaning challenge in March. And we actually had chores to do every week. Now, what you don't know, or some of you do and some of you don't, is that I go live twice in my group every week, Tuesdays and Thursdays at 3 p.m. Central Time. And I do trainings, and we talk a lot about the household hacks. Today, we did the laundry DIY project. That was the training for that today. So when it came down to spring cleaning, well, we had cleaning tips. We were talking cleaning. We had cleaning trainings. And it was really rocking and rolling in that group. And some people said they couldn't make it or weren't able to do the spring training cleaning challenge because of what's going on in their lives, whether it be kids, working overtime, full-time, family, medical conditions, have come back and said, man, I really wished I could have did that challenge with you. It looked really interesting. I really wanted to do that. So we did 1 month where we decluttered our worst kitchen cabinet in 2 days challenge. That was fun. That went over really well. So it's little challenges we do all the time. We talk about decluttering. We talk about home organizing. We talk about your mindset and how it holds you back from decluttering. We're getting into the mindset more now, getting that rocking and rolling. So we're growing as the group is growing. More things come up, more issues come up. People want to know certain things. People are dropping their questions in the group. For example, what do I do with my trophies? How do I organize them? What can I do with them? We help each other out and answer their questions. I encourage that in my group. The people in my community are very helpful. And as busy as all of us are, we're all willing to help each other out and give each other ideas to try, new ideas to try, and keep it going. We are busy. We've got kids, we've got family, we're entrepreneurs, some of us. We're working full-time, working part-time. Single moms with kids, raising the family, or households of 6+. We're busy. And you could bet in a household of 6+, that laundry's going to pile up. So we discuss all that. We help each other out. We give each other ideas. We support each other. We're there for each other. That's what Deb's Decorative Life Tips and Inspiration is all about. And coming June, we're going to do another little challenge for June. And that'll be coming up at the end of the month. If you want a home consultation, let me know. I'd be glad to be there for you. Whether it's decluttering, cleaning, your office, your kitchen, your bedroom, your closet, your garage, whatever it is. I'm here to help you. Join my group. Get all the household hacks you can. Because my goal is to make your life easier and simpler. Because you're very busy. Thank you, my wonderful friends, for listening. And I hope to see you in my group, Deb's Decorative Life Tips and Inspiration. Bye.